anything like it before. If you asked me, what does your strainer look like? Most people would say it's plastic or it's metal, right? This is a stoneware strainer. Unbelievable.
So Mary Beth's like, you have to tell me, like, what, I'm dying to see what this is. So for me, again, it's all about magical transformation and not having to store 10 different things to create one job. So why not put, it's easier to show you from the inside, why not put all of your straining holes right there at the lip, the part that you're never really using in a bowl anyway. You still have that great capacity of 1.5 quart. You still can use it as a regular serving bowl. You still can bake in it. But the best part is when you're doing small tasks, when you're washing your berries, when you're draining pasta, now you're not taking that boiling hot water, transferring it into 10 different things. You literally could microwave your pasta in here and then strain it. And it comes with the snap-on lid. So when you've cleaned those berries or when you've done something that now you want to store in your fridge, we've thought of everything. It's less than $20.
That's amazing. And so this is the first day at a clearance price. By the way, that saves you $10. This normally would be $28. We're at $18.86 or 4 monthly payments of $472. What colors do we have?
All right, so we were just showing you the eggplant in your old world. There's your eggplant in your floral lace. Next door here, this is our red in our old world, sorry, cranberry in our old world, and cranberry in our floral lace.
And yeah, guys, if we can shoot it
that
more
looks
down here,
great.
we get more of the color.
And there you can see all the draining holes there as well. Then, of course, we have your reds. We have your red in Old World and your red in your floral lace. You can see the side there, all of it carved, that beautiful detail and the color saturated around it. Here's your chocolate in your floral lace and your chocolate in your Old World. Thanks, that looks beautiful. Here's your spice in floral lace and your spice in Old World. I love that all of these coordinate back to today's special value. There's your green in floral lace and your green in Old World. And then down in front, look at how beautiful that robin's egg blue looks.
Yes.
I love how coordinated that, just the pop of the brown.
It's one of my favorites.
And then we only have black in Old World. We only have blue in Old World. And we have confetti, which mixes and matches all of your colors.
This is so brilliant. I cook a lot of things in the microwave. And you know what? Sometimes it's the frozen vegetables and things like that. Like, let's say I put a, can of, bag of corn in the microwave. Well, you know you've got all that juice that has come off the frozen veggies. And you want to strain it. But how great that you can literally do that right here.
Isn't that amazing? So there's all of that pasta water that we're making mac and cheese for the kids, those box mac and cheeses. And now look at that. I took it off the stove. I put it in my strainer. Now I'm ready, Mary Beth, right in here to make my mac and cheese.
So
I'm
for
not,
the kids.
or
the
me.
Kids kind.
I was just going to say,
I do kind of like it too.
I have to tell you.
Although the one that's in your cookbook that we had earlier was incredible.
Look at this.
But I love that. So that's your green beans. That's your pastas. Anything like that. If you end up, here's the other thing. Sometimes I'll ground beef. I'll brown it early ahead of time. And then I'll put it in a dish and put it in the refrigerator.
And then I wanted to show you that because look, there you can really see how that will strain right out, and you can continue to do that as you're mixing, as you're prepping, as you're getting it ready.
But like if you put your browned hamburger in there already, and then you take it out of the refrigerator, you put it in the microwave to heat it up, there's still some of that grease. Well, just drain it off. It's that simple, that easy. And I love it for washing berries.
And then you have the lid after you've done hulling them, washing them. You snap that lid on, put it right in your fridge, you're good to go.
Don't forget, you can still bake in these though. Just, there's plenty of room before you hit the holes. Here's your colors. We have eggplant, we've got the cranberry, the red. We also have right here the chocolate browns, the spice, the green. There's a light blue, there's black, regular cobalt blue, and the confetti. This is a steal. $10 off.
And it's a bowl at the end of the day.
It is. In the meantime, let's take a look at the next item. And in fact, I think it has a boo in it.
Boo.
Boo. Boo.
Boo.
4 boos.
Boo.
It's called